In this tutorial, I will guide you through my proven, step-by-step logo design process on a real case scenario. Logo design process is a combination of investigation, strategic thinking and design excellence. Whether you're a designer or you're looking for one, this tutorial will give you some valuable insights into the logo making process. What are the logo design steps a professional designer takes? How the logo design process looks like. Before you jump into the process itself, you might want to find out what makes a professional logo first, so that you can distinguish between good and bad logo design and what it actually takes to design one. Keep in mind that this is not a logo design tutorial, but rather a walkthrough of my logo creation process. However, you can get inspired by this insights to the process, even though you decided to create your logo yourself or hire someone else. In this tutorial I will unfold my logo design process with client, as I have people asking me how to do it step by step. My goal is to give you some understanding on how to start sketching and exploring your logo ideas. The process of designing a logo can vary drastically from designer to designer. Check my logo design process example, but before that, let me tell you about who the client is first. Before meeting James, my client, he sent me an email with some documents describing his business. Was lucky and it saved me a lot of time in the discovery phase. I just had to read through it all before we meet. Otherwise, you would want to ask some of the branding questions prior to starting developing a logo. In general, the three basic questions are: what distinguishes your company from peers in your field? What are your business and marketing goals? Where are you going in the future? Remember, the more you know about your client, the smarter solutions you can come up with. You can additional questions, e.g. if you're really serious about your business, you should consider running a simple brand strategy workshop before doing any design work. What does the company name stand for? Understand the organization, its mission, vision and target audience before embarking on logo design. My distilled information about James' business, SpeedStream, is streaming app, help people to stream their videos in all social media platform without any interruption. During creating the brief, together with the client, I also decide on the scope of work. In the brief, decide on specific deliverables and what exactly needs to be done, establish and refine brand strategy. Design new logo and identity. Create basic stationery. Develop graphics for social media. Deliver logo artwork, digital and print-ready files. Deliver identity guidelines document. After crafting the list of desired deliverables, I usually ask my clients to allow some time to prepare a proposal. Next step leads me towards research. After the proposal was accepted, now it's time for start with the research. You must further research the industry, its history, and the competitors before embarking on any logo design project. Research is a critical stage that can't be overlooked in the process of logo design. My goal is to understand how the organization fits into the larger competitive environment. When you're done with research of brand, step number 3 is brainstorming. First, I start by organizing the information found so far into conceivable pieces. Create a mind map and look for keywords that can serve as a base for developing logo design concepts. Let's see what words comes in mind related to SpeedStream. High court related words from FeedStream are speed meter, thunder, fast, fire, lightning. I got words from stream are network, video, live, social network. Let's move into 4. Sketching. Sketching logos is where creativity comes into play. I prefer using traditional methods. Pencils on paper. This is a matter of personal choice, but I believe that sketching by hand gives the designer an immediacy of artistic expression. You don't have to be an artist to do just rough sketching. After sketching tons of ideas, you need to judge them against a brief and research and select the most promising ones. I use Adobe Illustrator to design vector graphics, then tweak the designs and develop many variations of the concepts. I judge the concepts by the following criteria. Is it appropriate? A successful logo is a vessel that can hold the associations relevant to the company, rather than actually illustrating them. This is because of the next criterion. A logo concept has to be simple. Is it simple? A logo must be simple in order to work effectively and flexibly in a wide range of sizes and media. So that it looks good in small size, has a tiny favicon, and bigger in print, but the simplicity of the logo is only valuable as long as the third criterion is met. Is it memorable? A logo concept must be memorable. By memorable, I mean that while the form must be simple, it must also be distinctive, unusual enough to be remembered. Finally, you present logo design concepts in context of applications relevant to the client. Where would the logo appear in real life? Remember to choose a group of real applications to test the viability of logo design concepts. Use business cards, stationery design and promotional item. Let's see my presentation on SpeedStream. After the final decision was made, it's time to work on the deliverables. The presentation included mock-ups, but now it's time to polish the designs and put it together to create a brand identity package. I hope this helped you understand how logo design process may look like. Is your logo making process different? Let me know in comments section. See you in next my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any brainstorming tutorial.